CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.8 Explain common features and tools of the macOS desktop operating system. macOS system folders. Now that we've covered how applications work in macOS, let's take a look behind the scenes at where everything actually lives. This brings us to system folders. Think of system folders as the organizational backbone of the operating system. Just like you might organize files into folders on your desktop, macOS uses a structured set of directories to store applications, user data, and system files. Understanding these locations will help you better navigate the system and troubleshoot issues when they arise. So let's walk through the key folders you need to know for your CompTIA exam. First, we have the /applications folder. This is where all installed applications are stored. When you install an app by dragging it into the applications folder, this is the location it's being placed into. It serves as the central hub for launching and managing applications on the system. You can think of this as similar to the Program Files directory in Windows. It's where your software lives, and it's accessible to all users on the system. Next is the /users folder. This folder contains a separate home directory for each user account on the system. Each user gets their own space to store personal files, settings, and preferences. Inside each user's home folder, you'll find familiar directories like Documents, Downloads, Desktop, and Pictures. This keeps user data organized and separated, which is especially important on systems with multiple users. Now let's talk about the /library folder. This folder stores system-wide resources that applications rely on to function properly. This includes things like configuration files, application support files, fonts, and system extensions. Unlike the applications folder, which stores the apps themselves, the library folder stores the supporting files that help those apps run correctly. Next is the /system folder. This is one of the most critical folders in macOS. It contains the core operating system files that keep everything running. These are essential system components, and they are tightly controlled by the OS. In modern versions of macOS, this folder is protected, meaning users typically cannot modify its contents. This helps maintain system stability and security by preventing accidental or malicious changes. Finally, we have /users /library. This is the user-specific library folder, and it's a big one for troubleshooting. While the main library folder we discussed earlier applies to the entire system, this version is specific to each individual user. This folder is located inside each user's home directory, keeping user-specific data separate from the rest of the system. It stores user-specific preferences, application settings, caches, and other configuration files. One important detail is that this folder is hidden by default, so you won't normally see it unless you specifically navigate to it. So, to tie it all together, applications is where your apps live. Users is where user data is stored. Library supports applications with shared resources. System contains the core operating system files. And users /library stores user-specific settings and configurations. Understanding these folders gives you a clearer picture of how macOS is organized and makes it much easier to manage files, troubleshoot issues, and navigate the system with confidence. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.